How's it going, folks? Hope you are all doing good. It's about to head off finally. I'm not going a million miles away, just meeting up with a few friends. You see this camera, it's working alright during the day. It's just obviously at night. I'm going to meet up with Marie first. She should be parked up somewhere down here. Here she is. This is not ideal. Bloody fuel lights flickering. Marie needs fuel as well, so we're going to have to go get it. So we're heading to one of my more remote park-ups. There's already somebody there waiting for us. Just a quick detour to get a diesel, and then we'll be on our way. It's pretty funny when you roll up to a petrol station in a vehicle this big and put 7 litres of fucking diesel in it. Oh god. Right, so we are good to go. We were here a few weeks ago, but didn't film anything, unfortunately. So another reason why starting off these daily videos was a good idea. Right, so this is where we start to get a little bit more sketchy. This is definitely a bit more me though. Park-ups like this. You're not going to get no chav here. You're not going to get any doggers here. And if they do come in their little clapped out courses, then round of applause, they can stay all night. A bit bumpy. Marie's behind thinking, what the hell is happening here? And now's where the road ends. Yes, it's much more like it. Is it gone?
Your thing's crash landed somewhere.
Are you joking?
Yeah, batteries are just shot on it.
Whereabouts, how far down were you?
In this field somewhere. I can't fucking get connected to a piece of shit.
Oh, you are joking. Go get parked up. Oh no, you don't get to see that yet. Whenever it comes up with your slap it. So I found out on YouTube you can put a blur box, can't you?
Yeah.
It's going to do that right on the thing.
Right on the end.
Oh, we were going to have some epic intro montage, but unfortunately the spark hit the deck. Were you recording when the drone hit the deck?
Oh, it would have been.
Oh yay!
Yeah,
so we can show that. This is more like it. Can't really see a lot. CJ in the corner, Marie, and then the way it is now, this could be a scene straight out of Amsterdam.
Really?
Yeah, you just sat there with the red light on,
If only I was naked.
door open. God's sake. This is about as remote as it gets around here.
Vince got pulled in at a police checkpoint. Can you imagine? French police. Oh, I'm just going travelling, mate.
Hello. Hello, you. Hi. Then.
Oh God.
Oh, I suppose dry mud, isn't it? It's not like the dry.
Yeah, it's dry.
The sociability of my van now.
Move, dog.
This is the ladder.
Probably not going to film much tonight. We're already on the beers, so
I'm pissed.
you're pissed.
Yeah. You scumbag, sorry.
So we'll have to catch up a bit more tomorrow. See how it goes. Try cap.
Is it open?
Yeah.
Are you recording this?
Oh yeah. Just do a cap. It's strange. It's not like blow your head off. It just feels like, you know when the dentist numbs your mouth?
Yeah. Wow. It's not a bad taste, it just hits you in the face, yeah.
It's sweet, isn't it?
Where's this lip?
Getting there for, you know, when I decide it's over and I'll just nick that.
Oh yeah. Yeah, that would be a euthanasia in a bottle there. Yeah, we still got
My hair's going to smell like bacon.
Got to finish the segment or it'll make no sense. Right folks, so probably not going to film much more tonight. James has just turned up. Remember James from Scotland with the white P5? Yeah, he's just turned up. So tomorrow we're going to have a bit of a van day, doing some bits and bobs. So yeah, it should be pretty good. I've just, so try this now. I just borrowed it off James out of curiosity. 4G antenna. It's a slightly different one. It's the same as John uses, I believe. Just going to see what difference it makes on my system. Should be able to tell straight away if it's any better. What's this saying? Oh, here we go. Yeah, so this has got 3 bars of 4G. So I've just unplugged my antenna there. You can see this thing is now saying no service. Let's see what this new one does. Oh, interesting. It's actually less. So it's only showing 2 bars. I just moved it across the roof, and that's getting three bars of 4G. So I'm trying this one now, which is like the generic dome. This is another one of James's. The inside it's getting 3G, so it gets outside. So the puck antenna is only getting 1 bar 4G. So I'll switch back over onto my one. Look at that, that's straight back up to 3 bars. See that? Up in the top corner there. That's interesting. I was expecting that to be mega.
Aha!
I might need something
That's what I can do. Think about that. I think there will be, like in the corners, it dips down.
It's so sick.
In the corners, I think there will be storage bits and cubbies and hide stuff for customs to find. That's not for you.
Hey, that's like such massive space.
It's huge, isn't it? Even now with it empty, I sit up there, look out the back windows.
That's wicked. That is actually sick.
Oh, I've gone the wrong way. That's why it's dickers.
Needs to be on 50 the video.
Good for what?
So this one needs to be on 50 minimum.
Right.
And then your ISO you want to turn up.
Oh, I guess I've just got to go to Scotland then. God damn it.
I'd love to go back to
To
Scotland.
go to Scotland.
I miss Scotland so much.
With your friend
That was
Lance.
good.
Shall we witness my
Drone.
drone shitting itself?
Oh yes!
You. Enough of you.
Oh, why is my van white like an angel?
Is this you just realising? Or?
It's like a I don't know.
Driving it for 6 months. Why is it white?
It's just there, isn't it? You can't even deny it's not there.
What's happening? Oh,
I mean, look, I've put the whole glass in my coat, and you wouldn't even know.
chill.
I could walk around with a full glass of wine, and you wouldn't even know.
Oh, my goodness.
Nice!
Good night.
Good to see you both.
Alright, see you in a bit.
Bye.